Hi everyone, I am so excited to announce today to you one of our top projects of 2021 called House of Assembly, which is launching in downtown Toronto. The location is absolutely superb. You are minutes north of Liberty Village. You're east of High Park in a beautiful area called the Sterling Junction. And get this, you have a 100 out of 100 transit score, which is not easy to come by. So today, let me take you into the preview of this presentation center. Sales are going to start as of next week, so let me show you what this project's all about, as you don't want to miss it. Come on in. All right, so House of Assembly, like we mentioned, is going to be one of the first buildings of a 3-building master planned community. And over here, you'll see this is exactly where the first building is going to be situated. The 2 buildings beside it, the white ones, is where House of Assembly number 2 and 3 are coming. And right in front of House of Assembly is going to be your 500,000 square feet of commercial space. And this is going to be owned by a company called Hines that we all know very, very well. And this area, as you see, if you look over here, it's surrounded by commercial development. You have the Nestle factory over here. You've got a brewery, a cool coffee shop, a very artsy, neat neighborhood. And to the north of the building, you will see also another commercial space and also a lot of townhomes and detached homes and residential that's already existing in the neighborhood. And like we've mentioned before, this community has a 100 out of 100 transit score, which is absolutely phenomenal, very hard to come by. A score like that you can find in downtown Toronto near Unionville Station. So you've got the similar transit options here. You have literally 2 subway stations, which are 8 minutes away. One on this side, the Lansdowne station, and then you've got one on this side. You've got 3 TTC stops, and then you have a GO station, the Bloor station, 5 minutes away. You also have a beautiful Toronto rail path that's walking distance that has amazing bike trails and trails to kind of just enjoy the greenery with the family. So all in all, it's a master planned community where you can raise a family. You know, you've got the professional lifestyle as well, and it's an all-in-one community that's coming out, and you have a chance to get in at the ground stage. And other than the fact of it being the first building in a master plan community, secondly, 100 and 100 transit score, the third reason is the developer. Marlin Development has been in the business for over 20 years, and they've done 30 projects throughout the GTA, so you know you're dealing with a credible builder who is there in the long run and is known for quality buildings. As for finishes, they're absolutely stunning in this condo building. You've got 9-foot ceilings with smooth ceilings in every single condo, and then you have packages that you can choose for your color selection. You've got A, B, and C, and this is what your typical kitchen will look like with the appliances included and the granite countertops. And if we go in here, we'll see what the washroom finishes look like as well, with your full glass enclosures, floor to ceiling, and you've got your nice faucets, your mirrors, your cabinetry, and you do have those 3 color selections when it comes time to closing. And once you come into this beautiful presentation center that the builder has set up for us, you'll see the screens over here that'll show you the beautiful amenities within the building. You've got a huge lobby area. You've got a beautiful wellness and fitness center that is very focused on wellness, which is really important post-pandemic. And then you've got a shared social co-working area in this building. And lastly, you have a beautiful rooftop terrace that also has a pet-friendly area, which is also very important post-pandemic. So overall, this is honestly one of your best investment opportunities of 2021 for many, many reasons that we've mentioned. And the other thing I want you to note of is projects that have a 100 out of 100 transit score in downtown Toronto typically sell for the $1,400 to $1,500 per square foot price point. And this is only priced at around $1,200 a square foot. So you are getting the best value. And not only that, you're getting into the first building. So you always know prices into the second and third building go up from here. And then lastly, you've got another 500,000 square feet coming next door to you of retail and office space. So you're going to have tons of rental demand and future buyers that will help appreciate this area even more. So if you're interested, don't wait any longer. Get in here. Let us know fast because I know this is going to sell out super quickly.